Say membrane?
Mind
brain. Mind brain.
Okay.
We can remember that, the guy in the tie.
We're gonna take a couple seconds. Nice try. Okay, you guys can go ahead and start.
Okay. So, our communities, how we show community spirit is by outreaching to our community and trying to find problems that we can solve within our local community. We realize that we have multiple people in our communities that work in oil and gas companies and that they risk their lives every day to go down and check for oil and gas leaks, and that some of their friends have also died from it. So what we're trying to do is basically put an end to all of that. We're trying to develop a way for there to be no lives lost anymore.
We're developing a drone solution so that it can survey oil and gas pipelines for leakages and breaks, so that humans don't have to do it manually. They don't have to be put in that hazardous situation where most times they're actually dangling from a helicopter above the pipelines, and we want to take them out of that extremely hazardous situation, saving lives.
So what you can do is you purchase a service. So you pay them, or you pay our company to come out and they fly the drone to check. And then, so that's what we have in the future. You're gonna be able to buy the drone. So if they detect a leak or a break in the pipe, then the human will fix it.
In the future, we're gonna sell two different drones. One of them is gonna be faster for leaks that you already know are there, so you can just get it out there and fix the problem. There's gonna be another bigger one that's slower, but it has longer battery life, so it can check for them and it can do it automatically.
So like Max was saying, we would have two products. The tank, it would survive temperatures from negative 85 degrees Fahrenheit and up to temperatures of 140 degrees Fahrenheit. That would be the one that is slower. It would only fly up to 45 miles an hour, and it would survive for an hour and 15 minutes. But the faster one, the Black Widow, it would survive temperatures from negative 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 125 degrees Fahrenheit. It would fly at a maximum speed of 55 miles per hour, and it would only have a battery life of 45 minutes. The Black Widow, if you would buy it, it would only cost $100,000. If you rented it for like a month, it would cost around like $600. And the tank, if you bought it, it would cost $110,000. And if you rented it for say like a month, it would only cost around $800.
Okay.
You said that if you rented it would cost $600, and you said if you rented it for a month it would cost $800, which is which?
Well, the tank would cost $600, and the Black Widow would cost $800.
Oh, I see, so you're talking about $1,400.
For both.
Yeah.
What is you guys' definition of the magnanimous competitor? And how your team show that?
Well, on our website, we have a little saying, and it's just sort of like a joke, but it's "We will never wear top hats," as in our competing corporation is Top Hat Inc.